Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram Ford Explorer key fob, only ways. Insert the key into the ignition and remove it quickly 6 times, ending with the key in the on position to enter programming mode. Press any button on the fob within 10 seconds to sync it to the vehicle, repeating for additional fobs as needed. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode and test each fob for proper function. In this video, I will explain how to reprogram Ford Explorer key fob, only way. After confirming doors are closed, insert and remove the key 6 times, finishing with the key turned to the on position to activate programming. Wait for a single chime or the locks to cycle, which signals success. Once in programming mode, press any button on the fob within 10 seconds to register it, and repeat for each additional fob you need to program. In this video, I will explain how to reprogram Ford Explorer key fob, only way. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you work, and I love the Oala water bottle for long jobs. It keeps water cold and fits cup holders nicely. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Oala link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to reprogram Ford Explorer key fob, only ways. Press a button on each fob within 10 seconds of entering programming mode to pair it, repeating as necessary for multiple fobs. After finishing, turn the ignition off to exit programming and walk around the vehicle to test lock, unlock, trunk, and panic buttons for proper operation. If a fob fails, restart the sequence and try again calmly and methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.